Hi, how are you? I'm Ross, a native English speaking teacher from the UK. I have years of experience of teaching online and lots of satisfied students. You can see their reviews on my profile. I can help you too. To be able to help you, the first thing I need to ask is, why are you learning English? What is your goal? I offer different types of classes, so I can help you with business English. These will help you become more comfortable and confident dealing with colleagues and clients in English. I also offer exam preparation classes, so if you are planning to study in an English speaking country, you will probably need to pass an English exam first. I can help you prepare for IELTS, TOEFL, or the Cambridge language exams. I also have a lot of experience with students who just want to improve their general level of English. I'm happy to create a course or provide material to practice your conversational English too. How do my classes work? Well, first of all, we can have classes in the italki classroom, or on Skype, or Zoom, or Google Meet, or WeChat, or any other platform you prefer. All my classes start with a little conversation. What have you been doing since the last class? How was your weekend? What are you going to do later? This isn't just to help us get to know each other. An important part of language learning is being able to have a real conversation with someone in a normal situation. Real people will not always ask questions like, how many brothers and sisters do you have? Or do you have a pet? So it's good to learn a little language for everyday use. We will then spend the next part of the class working on your goals. I like to use online resources to help us. I use Google Docs for sharing text and writing practice. I use YouTube or the English Listening Lesson Library online for some listening practice. I use a site called Off2Class, which gives us lots of grammar materials and exercises. The British Council website has a lot of interesting material too. We will often look at other websites while we are working together. I also use some textbooks for specific areas of grammar or to give you some homework. For vocabulary, we will practice it in context, and if there are words you don't know yet, I will explain them using pictures. My lessons are relaxed, and I plan each one in advance to make sure it is suitable for you and your level. Most importantly, I try to make sure that every class is interesting to you. Whatever type of class you book with me, the main aim is always to improve your confidence with English and to make you feel more comfortable using the language. So, if you really want to improve your English, I can help you. Please get in touch or book a trial lesson using the link below, and we can start this week. I can't wait to hear from you. Thanks.